Hey guys, Lynette here, and this is going to be a quick video. This is hot off the press. The Ipsy Glam Bag and the Plus and the Ultimate Bag have been revealed by my subscription addiction. So I'm going to reveal that in a second, but wanted to let you guys know, make sure you like and subscribe, because if there's any other spoilers for Ipsy for November, this will definitely be the place that you want to be. So make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get into that spoiler for the bag. Okay guys, so what did you think of the Ipsy Glam bags for November? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. In my opinion, these choices are way better than the choices we all had for October. I know a lot of people who had Ultimate were not excited with the bag and that subscription. So for me, this is a much better option choice. So you guys get a chance to see what's coming up for November. And again, if you guys want to stick around, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any other spoilers reported from my subscription addiction. So definitely make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.